Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, sir.
Great.
Actually, I'm connecting you from Visakhapatnam, district of Andhra Pradesh.
Hmm? So let's have your introduction then. Let's go with the introduction.
Okay, sir.
Sure.
I'm Vikas Kumar, and I'm connecting you with from Visakhapatnam, district of Andhra Pradesh. And I am working in Visakhapatnam State Plant as a deputy manager. And if I talk about my education, I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering. Later on, pursued my Master's in Mechanical Engineering from Punjab Central University. And after that, I got job in Visakhapatnam State Plant. Actually, approximately, I have experience, 8 year experience in this field. That's brief about me.
Great, sir. Nice. So since how long have you been living in Andhra Pradesh? I mean, you said like you work in steel plant, right?
Uh, I came here in 2017,
Hmm.
and then what's I'm here only.
Nice. So you live with the family, right?
Yes, I live with my family. Actually, my native place is Bihar. I belongs to Bihar,
Mm-hmm.
and initially I came here in Andhra Pradesh. So that time, my nearby people and my colleagues, seniors, all were talking in English and Telugu language. That
Mm-hmm.
time I faced lot. That time I faced lot of problem. But
Yeah, yeah.
I in that, but I never take seriously to learn English language, and I learned Telugu language. I
Oh.
that time when the teacher came
Uh-huh.
and taught the other state people to learn Telugu language.
Mm-hmm.
And that time I learned Telugu. I can little bit speak and almost most of the things I can understand it. Two Telugu person talk
Mm-hmm.
to each other in Telugu language, and
Mm-hmm.
I can understand everything. But at
Yeah.
the time of speaking, I speak but not fluently.
I don't think that
But
you have that issue now. I while talking to you, you were able to talk, right? But I don't think that you have that much issues in terms of expressing what you want to talk about or something. You were speaking really well.
actually, at the time I speak, but somebody noticed me. Oh, you are not talking this type of mistake you are doing. That time I feel embarrassed. So how to uh, handle that situation? You may suggest.
Sure, sir, definitely. When I was in a position a couple of years ago, and when I started speaking English, I had faced the same issues. Some of my known people, right, like friends, village mates, they used to tell me the same. And I didn't take it in a negative way. In fact, it bothers us, it hurts us when somebody gives you a negative thing, right? A negative feedback, you're not speaking well, you're making mistakes, something. I did take it in negative way, but somehow later I realized that they are not someone who can judge us, and we have to decide and construct our destiny or something. That's when I started taking in a positive way and started learning it whenever they used to correct me and all. And that's how my journey actually began. And yeah, I can relate to you how you feel right now. But you don't need to worry, sir, because that's how someone can start from the scratch. And if you
Yes,
notice, yeah, if you notice others, they won't even dare starting it. After a couple of years, they ask you, they come and ask you, hey sir, how did you do that? Can you give me tips and tricks learning English or speaking English?
yes,
That will definitely happen, but do not stop. Do not stop it when somebody gives you any negative feedback or they try
yes,
to demotivate you. But you start learning, and
yes,
do not take it granted, because they are someone who ignites a fire in us, and they are someone who awakens. That's someone who is you know hasn't come out yet from our inner self, you know. That's when we take it seriously.
yes,
Otherwise, we just take it granted and we never take it seriously in terms of learning English or whatever it is. So take it in a positive way and learn whichever the areas that you want to work on. So yeah.
yes. Like that, I am practicing daily, and
Hmm.
your video and
Yeah.
some other YouTuber video. I listen lot of things,
Hmm.
and I understand everything while I listening any video and any movie. I understand everything, but at the time of the speaking, that time I face problem because but sometimes I fumbling like that. I am not using correct word, and that time I'm not getting some any correct word according to the situation. So
Got it.
how to improve that situation?
So the thing is, what you're doing is you are trying to watch movies and series and other stuff. You're trying to practice listening. The more you listen, the better your listening and comprehension skills will improve. To speak it, you have to speak it, right? See, you are listening, you're watching, and you're listening, and your listening skills are improving. And if you don't speak, how
Yeah,
will it improve? You have to speak. You have to create a
yeah,
context or the environment with your colleague, with your family members or anybody, friends, with anybody. Try speaking with them. I think you must have someone who is interested in speaking English or learning English. Find that person. Try to interact. If not, we have a lot of platforms and you can approach them and they'll ask you to pay some money, be it monthly or a subscription basis. You can join their platforms and you can start practicing, uh, be it like 20 minutes or 25 20, 30 minutes, max. That could be that session duration for each session that you attend. And then you start speaking with tutors and other people. That's when, and other platforms I heard it's Supernova and other AI created apps,
yeah,
and you can join them. But the thing is, with such kind of apps, what the disadvantage I found is you can't connect emotionally with people, right? It's a machine. So whatever you speak it, they just
but
acknowledge it and they don't understand your feelings.
but one app is there. That's name is called Pirab. Pirab. I
Huh.
using that app almost 1 month before. That
Mm-hmm.
time I feel very much hesitant, but
Hmm.
I used that app approximately 1 month. Right now, I am able to speak and I am getting some confidence. So
Mhm.
I can convey my communication to somebody, and
Yeah,
they they are getting my point right now.
got it. In fact, when I started this channel and after speaking to a couple of people, this is what I noticed, and I saw that a lot of people, not only from our country, from our neighboring countries, like we have Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and other countries, and Pakistan. And I spoke with some of these people, and I noticed the same. They have that zeal within them to speak and to progress in their careers. But only thing is they don't have proper environment. They don't have people to correct them and learn each other in a
Yeah,
friendly atmosphere. And that's when I thought of starting a sort of I mean online practicing thing. I recently started it, and a few people joined. Basis of plans I set up. It's very affordable one. People are joining and they're
mm,
practicing with me. I'm correcting them. This how I'm just letting you know. I could say it's an affordable one compared with other platforms. So if anybody is
okay.
interested who are watching it, they can reach me out on WhatsApp or email. Yeah, that's how
Yeah,
I started. And you have such platforms, many. There are a lot of native speakers we have in other platforms you can join. But the thing is, you have to invest in a proper way. We invest money in different
yeah,
ways for other things and all, but we don't invest in ourselves. So the
mm,
investment that we do is supposed to be, like something gonna be useful to us. So try it, any platforms for that matter. It doesn't matter, but try to practice speaking. I think you
yes,
listen or you understand now. So that's enough. That's enough. Now you start
yeah,
speaking, sir. If you start speaking, that's when your fluency, your pronunciation, your confidence levels will start building little by little.
yeah.
So that's what I could say.
And, yes. In English, one thing I read somewhere else.
Hmm.
If you want to learn swim, then you have to go swimming pool or in
Of
a
course,
river.
of course.
You are not able to if you want to swim and you go to bathroom, then only
Yeah, somebody corrects us, we have to take it in a positive way. That's how it has to happen. So do not worry, sir. Even everybody, most of Indians, you know, do their graduation or whatever schooling in our mother tongues, but
yeah,
that's not the thing that's gonna stop us. I'm sure you're gonna speak a good English someday, very soon, I could say, because you have already started it and you can comprehend and you can do the things. Only thing is you have to speak it. So start speaking, practice with
yes,
somebody, you will definitely see the progress, sir. That's what I can tell you.
yes. Actually, right now, if you want to attend any meeting or common thing, if you go to
Hmm.
child school,
Yeah.
like that, there you have to talk to teacher in
Yes.
English only. That, yeah,
Hmm.
that time, yeah, it is necessary
Of
to
course.
know how to talk
Yes.
in English like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's important,
So that
sir. Even in schools, teachers
yeah,
have to, explain the things in English so that they'll be accustomed with languages, so that they don't have that feeling that I've been taught in my regional languages. So suddenly, all of a sudden, if somebody talks or speaks to me in English, how can I understand? Respond them something. That's what it happens. Even in schools they have to adopt explaining the stuff in English so that it becomes a casual thing and they won't take it seriously and they'll understand and they try to speak someday after their schooling or college. So yeah, it's a good
yeah.
thought actually.
Actually, if you talk, if you, I can say,
Mm-hmm.
if I learn one grammar,
Hmm.
grammar, grammar part, what percentage they help me in a spoken. What do you think? Grammar, how much important grammar for
Sir,
speaking?
it's for me it's not at all important. Grammar will not help you speaking. See, for example, if you speak to a baby, they won't start from grammar. They listen to us and they try to mimic us. They
Yes,
try to speak to us in whichever a way that we
yes,
speak, right? So we don't teach them grammar, sentence construction, vocabulary, spellings, nothing. Be it any language for that matter. They just listen to us, they try to mimic slowly, and they try to speak a good language someday. That's how English has to be. So then you see, in my opinion, sir, if you want to teach somebody that grammar or whatever rules
mhm,
that we have, that's when you have to work on grammar. That's when you have to be worried about grammar. Otherwise, you don't need to.
yes,
Whom should you teach? No one. If you are a teacher, then you have to have some command over language because students ask you, and you have to, conduct tests or exams to test the knowledge. To test the knowledge before testing them, you have to be good at grammar or
yes,
something, right? That's when somebody has to be worried about it. Otherwise, I don't think it's necessary. But having an idea is good. What is what is not something.
actually,
Mm-hmm.
yes, actually, I learned grammar almost 3 4 months, but at the time of speaking, it's same problem. So I think that's not very useful. If you I want to fluent in English talking problems, then I have to talk only.
Yeah, that happens, sir. Don't worry. Start speaking little by little. You will definitely speak a good English someday. So, anything else, sir, before we close the video for the day?
You, you faced me to
Sir,
actually
you're not.
sometimes
The video is not clear. You're stucking sometimes.
right now, okay, sir.
But still, it's stucking. Yeah. Let's close it. I think you have some network issues. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay. Actually, wait, sir. Like, like, if I go outside the room, then it's
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
maybe right now.
Uh-huh.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but the voice is good now. Yeah. Huh, sir. Somewhat.
Right now, okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually, inside the room, maybe some network are not properly
Mm-hmm.
in outside, but outside some sound is coming. That's why.
Oh, got it, got it. Yes, sir. So, anything else, sir, before we close the video?
You suggest me how my session and in which side I improve my practice.
Sir, you just do practicing the same thing as you've been doing, but try to have someone who can correct you. That's the best thing. Correcting, in a sense, it's not just correcting your grammar, something else, correcting your way of speaking. The spoken has to be corrected by somebody. I don't say it has to be someone who just practices with you. No, someone has to have some good idea about language, at least some basic, or he has to be at least an intermediate level person so that he can correct you better. So join any sessions. You have any friends who have idea about grammar and language spoken, and you can get corrected from him, and that's how you can learn. And there are so many platforms. So just listening to
Uh,
YouTube videos and other stuff, it won't help you at all. No, you have to start speaking, sir.
okay, sir. I practicing well, and after some time, I reconnect to you.
Sure, sure, definitely, sir. Yeah. All the best, sir.
So,
Thank you then. Bye, sir.
okay, thank you.
Bye.